Hey everyone, today I'm going to break down one of the fundamental building blocks of chemistry: ionic compounds. You might be asking, what makes these compounds so special? Well, let's dive right in and find out. First off, what exactly are ionic compounds? Simply put, they're chemical compounds made up of ions held together by electrostatic forces. These ions are atoms or molecules that have gained or lost one or more electrons, giving them a net positive or negative charge. Picture this. You've got a sodium atom and a chlorine atom. Sodium has just one electron in its outer shell, while chlorine is one electron short of a full set. When they come together, sodium donates its electron to chlorine. This electron transfer transforms sodium into a positively charged ion or cation, and chlorine into a negatively charged ion or anion. Opposites attract, so these ions bond together to form sodium chloride, also known as table salt. Pretty cool, right? But why do they bond so easily? It all comes down to the octet rule. Atoms are most stable when they have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. By transferring electrons, these atoms achieve a stable electron configuration, making them more stable and less reactive. Now let's talk about the properties of ionic compounds. One of the standout features is their high melting and boiling points. The strong electrostatic forces between the ions mean it takes a lot of energy to break these bonds. That's why substances like salt have such high melting points. Another cool property is their electrical conductivity. In solid form, ionic compounds don't conduct electricity, but when dissolved in water or melted, the ions are free to move around, allowing electricity to flow. This is why salt water conducts electricity. And guess what? Ionic compounds are also typically soluble in water. Water molecules are polar, meaning they have a slight positive charge on one side and a slight negative charge on the other. These polar molecules surround the ions and pull them apart, dissolving the compound. So understanding ionic compounds isn't just for passing your chemistry exams. It's about appreciating the invisible forces that shape our world, from the salt in our food to the minerals in rocks. These compounds are everywhere, forming the foundations of many materials we encounter daily. Before I wrap up, let's recap. Ionic compounds are made of charged ions held together by electrostatic forces. They form through the transfer of electrons, follow the octet rule, and have unique properties like high melting points and electrical conductivity in certain states. And that's a quick dive into the world of ionic compounds. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, chemistry is all around us. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome science content. See you next time.